Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be talking about how you can fetch device GPS sensor data with Swift. Also, you need to know there is a link to project source code in comments. Yeah, let's start our new project. So before that, I'm gonna run same project we're gonna make just to give you folks idea how it will be look like. So first of all, you will get this that asks you this software use your location, and you can allow it, and then it's gonna tell you what's latitude and longitude of this device GPS location. Okay, so let's stop this one and start our new project. So file, new project, and we name this iOS Swift and so core location finder 01. Yeah, it said exist. Do you want to replace it? Yes, so replace it with a brand new one. Okay, so when we have our project, first of all, I advise you to go to info and add tool privacy description for that. So the first one gonna be privacy location usage description. So and the second one gonna be privacy location when in use description. And for description, I use product name identifier and say use location. So this gonna give you the same warning that we observed for user to follow privacy for that. If you don't do this, it cannot find out the location. Okay, as soon as we did this, we can go to main storyboard. Yeah, here let's make up our main storyboard. Here we will drop a label on top and two text field. So text field one, let me make this one as big as I'm looking for. Yes, and I give it a in attributes inspector I give it some background, then I command C and command V, make a copy of that. So the second, let me give a placeholder to this one. So we said latitude, and for this one longitude. Also I give this one different color. Okay, so also for this one it's gonna be labeled just for user to get an idea what this app is doing. So here I just say core location sample, and I make it 30 and give it blue color and make it to be center. Okay, and then I select all of these three, and in editor embed in I make them stack view. And yeah, here you see that I forgot to make this to be constraint, so I'm gonna add to them now. So I just say Yeah, for this one I say high 30 is good, wide 120. So 30, let's make it 150. Yes, better. And for this one I need to change it to 150, so I come here to size inspector. Just under here you can find it, also here even you can find it, but yeah, here we can say edit and make this one 150. Okay, so I select this stack view and I say, yeah, keep this stack view horizontal and vertical in the middle, horizontally and vertically. Okay, and now I need to connect this to my controller, so I use assistant editor. I click here, and then one by one I select this one and control drag, and here I just say, for example, lat text, and this one control drag, and just say lam text. Yeah, that's it. We need to for connection. I'm gonna close this assistant editor now. It's a coding part. So what I do, I'll go to my view controller. So in for view controller, in view did load, actually we do nothing. But we will need to go to view did appear, and in view did appear, what we'll do, first of all we say, okay, self dot location manager, but it's not gonna give it to us. I'll give you why, and I tell you, yeah, it's, you just need to import CoreLocation, and also here you need to declare a variable. You can name it, for example, view control, for example, view controllers, no, sorry, I named this variable location manager, location manager, and it says equal CL location manager. Yeah, now even I come here and it says self location manager, it's offered to me, and I can add to it, so request, yeah, I just add two, one for always and self dot location manager, this time request when in use authorization. So these two will get authorization from user, and then we can come and say if CL location manager dot location service enabled, I create a block, and inside the block I say, okay, location manager dot delegate should be self. I'm gonna get another error, and I'll tell you why. So yes, it's cannot use because view controller and assign value of to CLLocationDelegate. So what I need to do, I need to come here and extend my class to this protocol, CLLocationManagerDelegate. Yeah, this one. Now this will go. And so I just say location manager dot desire accuracy equal kCLLocationAccuracy nearest nearest 10 meter. So we get that the location nearest 10 meter, and then we say okay, location manager dot start updating location. So it is gonna update location if changed. Okay, so we made that function. So here you can come at the end of the view did appear. You just come say and say did update. Yeah, it's gonna offer you. So you will pick up this location manager CLLocation did update. Yes. So you set this, and then let's open a function for you. In this function, first of all, you say guard. So what's gonna be condition here? Let true data. So if you get true data from CL location coordinate to D, yes, you get this true data from this type equal what? Equal manager dot location question mark could be near as well, coordinate. If you get this, if you cannot get this, actually you will go to else, and in else we will return. Okay, let me yeah, that's okay. And for now I'm gonna print this. I'm gonna drop it in console, and so in console just say location equal backslash parenthesis open and close, and again yes, and here I just say true data dot latitude, and again true data dot longitude. Okay, so I got this. Now it's time to update our cell. So I just self dot latex equal text. This gonna be yes. Let me make it on this way. So I just say latitude backslash open parentheses. So yes, true data dot latitude, and I make another one, and so this one longitude, yes, this one longitude. Yeah, so we did update now our function as well. And yeah, let's see what else we need to do. I believe nothing. So let me see if I have that. No, I stopped that one, so I can run this one to see if it's working. Oh, actually yes, I had planned to change signs of this. It still need to be bigger because I put latitude in there as well. So I make this one 220. Yeah, and this one is also 220. Okay, so let's run it now to see what will be our output. So I believe first of all for this new app gonna ask authorization. Oh shoot, I had another I had this to run on iPhone XR, so we have to wait until this one coming up, or we're gonna stop it and go on iPhone 8 Plus that we had already opened. But yeah, we're gonna wait. So yeah, that was just, let's review. So that was pretty easy, as you saw. We just add CoreLocation. We just yeah, we just add privacy to info plist to privacy. You need to make sure to put this in there as well. And yeah, here you are. We have it run. Yes, here you go. Yeah, I didn't get that. Yes, here you go. Because yeah, first asking this is a little bit slower because its quality is bigger, so take more process. So as soon as I allow it, it will show us yes, latitude and longitude. And if we rotate device, you will see still in the center and show us latitude and longitude. Yeah, that's all for today. I hope you like it, and if you like it, please make sure to give it thumbs up. Also, don't forget to be subscribed to receive more video like this. Also, any question, please ask in comment. I will be more than happy to help, and wish the best for you, and have a good one. Bye bye.